See, I am sending a simple message order medicine to this WhatsApp number, which is already connected with my chatbot through Pabbly Chatflow. And see, as soon as I send the message, immediately the chatbot takes over the conversation and replies to me, "Welcome to Medicare Pharmacy. Please choose an option below." Here it provides me with multiple options in the form of list, such as check medicine, bulk order, and contact us. Now let's say I want to check whether a particular medicine is available or not. So I am selecting the check medicine option, and within second an AI powered pharmacy assistant takes over the conversation and send me a message, "Hello, I am your pharmacy AI assistant. Simply type the name of the medicine you are looking for and I'll check its availability." So let's say I check, is paracetamol 500 mg available? And see, the assistant replies to me with the medicine availability. Now let's ask one more question. Do you have different brand with the same strength? Again, it understands my question and replies to me as yes, we have alternative brands available for paracetamol 500 mg. Would you like to proceed with one of those options? So I'll send the message as yes, and see, it start collecting my information. So instead of calling the pharmacy and waiting for someone to manually check and reply, customers can ask their medicine related availability question directly on WhatsApp and get an instant response. And the best part is that this assistant is trained using my own pharmacy knowledge base. So you can provide your own knowledge information, availability details, store information, and other required details to the AI assistant. Let's say a clinic, hospital, or in any business wants to place a bulk medicine inquiry. For that, I'll simply select the bulk order option from the list. See, immediately the chatbot starts collecting all the required details. First, it asks me to enter the organization or business name. After that, it asks for my full name. Next, my contact number. Once I have shared all the details, the chatbot asks, "Please share the name of the medicines you need in bulk." And next, it asks me to enter the required quantity. After that, it asks me to share any additional requirements or description related to my bulk order. And once I provide all the required information, look at this. Immediately, I received this professional bulk order request received message from the chatbot. And this is not just a fixed message. It is completely personalized based on the information I have provided during the conversation. It includes my name as a test user, organization details, medicine requirements, delivery address, and other related information. And lastly, let's say the customer wants to directly contact the pharmacy. For that, they can simply select the option as contact us. And see, the chatbot shares the pharmacy contact details, making it easy for the customer to contact with the team whenever required. So this is the complete WhatsApp chatbot plus AI assistant that I have created for a pharmacy business. And the tool behind this complete automation is Pabbly Chatflow. Using Pabbly Chatflow, you can create professional WhatsApp chatbots and AI assistant without writing a single line of code. You can create structured chatbot flows, collect customer information, handle inquiries, create an AI assistant, train them using your own business knowledge base, and automate your entire business conversations from a single platform. And this use case is not limited to pharmacies. You can customize the same concept according to your own business and create a chatbot plus AI assistant that works together based on your specific requirements. And the best part is that you can first try Pabbly Chatflow free trial, create this type of chatbot for your own use case, and after trying the tool, if you find it helpful and decide to purchase a plan, then don't pay the regular price. Simply use my coupon code MEHYT during checkout to get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. So without wasting any more time, let's start the step-by-step creation of this complete WhatsApp chatbot plus AI assistant that can handle pharmacy inquiries on WhatsApp. Alright, so this is the flow builder page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/chatflow and create a free account. Once you create it, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. After doing the sign up process and selecting the application as Pabbly Chatflow, you will successfully come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Once you reach there, on the left hand side, you will see multiple powerful features of Pabbly Chatflow where you have to come in this flows feature, and this flow builder page is going to be appear in front of you. Here you can create and manage static chatbot seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. For creating a new chatbot flow, you have to click on this plus add flow button. See, this is the starting point of creating your flow. Name as trigger, but before this, at first you have to give the name to your flow. After giving the name, I'll give you a quick overview of these two options, messages and actions. Under these options, you will see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Now let's get started. At first, you need to select the trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger event. You can select it according to your choice. In this flow, I am going to select the trigger event as keyword/reject. See, keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that the customer will send to me. For entering a keyword, you need to enter the word in this field and press enter. So this is how easily you can add multiple keywords. Now, whenever the customer will send any of these keywords to my WhatsApp business account, then automatically my bot gets triggered and reply to them by sending them one welcome message and one option in the form of list. So for setting up this type of messages, you need to add this list button from here. See, this list node is divided in three parts, name as header, body and footer, where in this case I am not entering any header or footer, so I am leaving these blank and directly entering a message in this enter body box. As welcome to Medicare Pharmacy, need to check if a medicine is available. Please choose an option below. See, this is the same message that I have received here. Now for adding list of types of options, you need to click on this add section button and enter the section title in this. Here I have entered it by my choice. Next, for adding list of types of options, you need to click on this plus add items button. Here I am adding only 3 types of options, but you can add more. The process of adding items in the list will be the same. See, here I have added such as check medicine, bulk order and contact us. You can also enter description in the center description boxes if you want to. Here I haven't added. After that, I am linking the trigger point of this flow to this list node. See, in real time, this message is going to be delivered to your customers like this. Now, whenever the customer will click on this check medicine button, then automatically one AI powered assistant takes over the conversation. So for that, I am clicking on this actions option and adding button as assign AI assistant. Next, I am selecting the AI assistant from here. See, I have already created this pharmacy AI assistant before. After that, I am selecting the start with welcome message and entering the welcome message in this box as hello, I am your pharmacy AI assistant. Simply type the name of the medicine you are looking for and I'll check its availability. See, I have entered this message content by my choice. You can customize it and you can also change the start with as well if you want to. After that, I am linking this check medicine circle to this assign AI assistant now. Now for creating a AI assistant, you need to go towards this AI assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow as everything is present inside this single tool. See, this is the AI assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer common questions. Now what is knowledge base? See, knowledge base is the information bank for your AI assistant. With knowledge base, AI assistant provide business specific and accurate replies, but without knowledge base, AI assistant gives general responses. For creating a new assistant, you have to click on this plus add AI assistant button. I have already created one AI assistant before for the pharmacy store, so I am directly going in this one. See, this is the starting point of creating an AI assistant. I have already created a separate detailed video of how you can create this pharmacy assistant for your own business. If you want it, then comment it. I will share the video link with all of you guys. Here I have uploaded the same knowledge file that contains all the information related to my pharmacy store, means this file. See, the creation process and the setup of this AI assistant is the easiest thing that I have ever done. After successfully creating an AI assistant, you need to select it from here. So this is how easily you can assign the AI assistant inside your chatbot flow. Now when the customer will click on this bulk order button, means they want to order bulk medicine, then my bot will reply to them by asking them to share their organization or business name. So for that, I am adding one ask question button from here and entering a question in this enter message box as what is your organization or business name. For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as business. Now what is contact custom field? So contact custom field is a user specific parameters for managing contact details like name, email, phone number, address and much more. In simple terms, it is used for sending personalized message based on the customer input. For creating a contact custom field, you have to click on the settings option and go in this contact custom fields option. After selecting the contact custom field, the format I am selecting is any. Next, I am linking this bulk order circle to this question node. Now, when the customer will share their business name, then my bot will reply to them by asking them to share their full name, contact number, the medicine they want to order, its quantity, additional requirements, and their complete delivery address. So for that, I am going to do the same that I have done here, means I am adding 6 more questions in this flow. The process of adding questions in the flow will be the same. Here I have added where in this question node I ask the customer to share their full name. That's why I have selected the contact custom field as full name and the format as text, as name should always in the format of text. Next, the number of attempts. Number of attempts is defined as how many times your customer will re-answer the question that you have entered in this field. It also works like this. Here I have selected the format as text, but the customer will reply to the bot in the format of number or any other format except text, and bot does not give any reply to them. And for handling these types of situations, we need to increase the number of attempts. But whenever we increase the number of attempts, we have to write the validation message in this enter message box. For this case, you can enter the validation message like please share your name in the correct format. Here I am giving the number of attempts as 0, so there is no requirement of any validation message. After that, in this node, I ask the customer about their contact number, next the medicine they want to order, its quantity, description, and their complete address. Here I added only some questions, but you can add more. After that, I have connected all the questions with each other. Because connection plays major role, you have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Now, when this conversation will complete, then at last my bot will provide one customized order request received message to the customer, and that will be fully personalized based on their input. So for adding these types of message, you need to take this text button from here and enter the message in this enter message box. Here I have added as bulk order inquiry received, thank you, with dollar symbol, full name, business, medicine name, quantity, delivery address, and the contact number. As you can see that I have used the dollar symbol before some fields because it is a contact custom field symbol, and with the help of this symbol only the customer provided input will come. See, here in this system, whenever the customer will share their full name, then with the help of this contact custom field full name, the bot will capture the customer provided response and mention their specific name in this place. It is only made possible with the help of all the contact custom fields that I have selected in each of these nodes, as well as with this dollar symbol. In real time, as soon as I have shared my full name as a test user here, that will automatically mention the test user after the thank you. So this is how contact custom fields work. Moving forward, I am going to link this question not to this text button. After that, the third option is contact us. When the customer will click on this button, then my bot will share them the contact details of the pharmacy store so that they can directly connect with my team. So for that, I am clicking on this circle, dragging a line and selecting the content type as text button. See, the steps are almost similar. You need to understand the logic only. Here I have added and our flow is completed. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on the save button so that your flow will be saved and updated. So that's it. You have successfully learned how to create a WhatsApp chatbot flow by using Pabbly Chatflow. It works for your own business 24/7 even when you are unavailable. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing chatbot plus your assistant flow for your own business too. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while creating this flow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this flow in the description below. You can check it out. And this is just an example. You can customize this chatbot flow by adding more buttons from here. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.